Good day, ma'am. Today I'm going to explain my Java program, which is BMI calculator. This program calculates the BMI of a person based on their weight and height, categorizes them into different weight categories. The first of the code imports the necessary libraries. We have natay Java util input mismatch exception and Java util scanner. The scanner class is used to get input from the user, and input mismatch exception is used to handle invalid inputs. Next, we have our BMI calculator, which contains our main method. We declare scanner object name scanner to read para mabasa niya ang input from the user, and the string arrays categories to store the different weight categories. Sa main method is the entry point of our program. It calls the calculate BMI method, which performs the actual calculation. Then the calculate BMI method gets the weight and height from the user using the get valid weight and get valid height methods. It then calculates the BMI by dividing the weight by the square of the height. Finally, it calls the get BMI category method to determine the weight category based on the BMI and displays the result using the display result method. The get valid weight and get valid height methods. Ang kaning get valid weight and get valid height methods are used to get valid input from the user. They use a while loop to continuously prompt the user for input until a valid number greater than 0 is entered. They also handled input mismatch exception to ensure that the user enters a number. Then sa get